Hello, I need a ticket.
Where are you going today?
I am going to London.
Do you want a return?
No, just a single ticket.
That will be $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, insert your card here.
When does the train leave?
It leaves in 10 minutes.
Which platform is it on?
It is on platform 3.
How do I get there?
Go down those stairs there.
Is it a fast train?
Yes, it is very fast.
Do I have a seat?
Your seat is number 5.
Where is car number 2?
It is at the front.
Do they sell food inside?
Yes, they have a cafe.
Thank you for the help.
Have a safe trip today.
I will run there now.
You have plenty of time.
I do not want delay.
The train is on time.
Goodbye and take care.
Have a good journey, sir. Hello. Are you free now?
Yes, get in the car.
I need the Central Hotel.
Do you have the address?
Yes, it is Main Street.
I know where that is.
How much will it cost?
It will be $50.
That is a bit expensive.
The airport is very far.
How long is the drive?
It takes about 40 minutes.
Is there a lot of traffic?
The roads are clear today.
Please put my bag inside.
I will put it back.
The air conditioning is cold.
I will turn it down.
Thank you. That is better.
Fasten your seat belt right now.
My seat belt is fastened now.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, please start the car.
We will be there soon.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, I have a machine.
That is very good news.
Sit back and relax now.
I will look outside today.
Enjoy the view of the city.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit down.
Thank you very much, sir.
Where are you traveling to?
I am going downtown now.
I am going there too.
How many stops are left?
There are 4 stops left.
Does this bus go fast?
It is very slow today.
I am late for work.
Traffic is bad this morning.
I should take the subway.
The subway is much faster.
I will do that tomorrow.
What is the next stop?
The next stop is Central.
That is my stop too.
We need to push the button.
I will push it now.
The bus is stopping here.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, I have my backpack.
Watch your step going down.
The stairs are very steep.
Have a good day at work.
You have a good day.
Goodbye and take care.
See you around the city.
Walk safely on the street.
Excuse me, do you know?
What do you need today?
Is this the red line?
No, this is the blue.
Where is the red line?
Go down the hall there.
I need to go north.
The north platform is right.
Does the train come often?
It comes every 5 minutes.
Do I need a new ticket?
No, your ticket is good.
It is very crowded here.
The morning rush is bad.
I will hold my bag close.
Yes, that is very smart.
Look, a train is coming.
That is the blue train.
I will walk away now.
Follow the big red signs.
The signs are up high.
Yes, look at the ceiling.
Thank you for the directions.
I am happy to help.
Have a good trip today.
Have a safe journey, sir.
I will find it now.
You will be just fine.
Goodbye to you, my friend.
Goodbye and take care.
Hello, driver. A quick question.
Yes, how can I help?
Does this go to the park?
Which park do you need?
I need the big city park.
Yes, I go right there.
How much is the ticket?
The ticket is $2.
Do you take
paper money?
Exact change only right now.
I have $2 coins.
Put them in the box.
Can you tell me the stop?
I will call it out.
It is my first time.
Do not worry about it.
Is the park far away?
It takes 20 full minutes.
I will sit near the front.
That is a good idea.
Are there many stops today?
We stop 10 times total.
Please do not forget me.
I will remember your face.
Thank you for your help.
Please take a seat now.
I will sit right here.
Hold onto the rail.
The bus is moving now.
Have a good ride today.